Good morning, everyone. My name is Dhole Pallavi, and our today's Viva topic name is why string is immutable in Java. So, discuss about that. Before going to discuss about string is immutable, we see the what is mean by string and what are the methods present in the string. Uh, so, firstly, what is mean by string? A string is a collection of character and it provides us to sequence of character. Then we create a string with the help of string class, string buffer, and string builder class. And we give the Java give the string is immutable. And why Java string is immutable? Because we cannot change the object of string. That's why Java string is a immutable. Suppose our string is mutable, then we can easily change our string, or object. We can create another object of our string. But with the help of a string immutable, we cannot create another object of our string, because first string is already present in our string constant pool. And when we create a string object, that's time string create a cache in the string constant pool. And with the help of string is immutable, um, we cannot change the value of our string. Suppose we have a two name. Suppose name is passenger and name 2 is passenger 2, and passenger 2 is override the passenger 1. Suppose firstly JVM firstly check the that type of name already present or not in the string constant pool. If it is a present in string constant pool, then it gives the only reference or to us, and it is not present in the it not present in the string constant pool, then it gives only it creates a object of that string. So string is immutable in our Java. Some advantages of string is immutable and some disadvantages of string is immutable. So we will see one by one what is the advantages of string is immutable. So string is immutable, that's why uh, string is immutable. That's advantages of it is a help of synchronization, class loading, class or concurrency maintain in our program. And then when we make our string is immutable, then no one can access or no one can change our string name. That's change help of a string is immutable. And then also final keyword is also destroy the string immutability. Its final keyword helps to keep a string is immutable. How final keyword helps the string immutable? Because final keyword work like as a string immutable. Because if you declare a one method or a string or variable final, that time we cannot change the variable type or variable value or method, because that is final. So final keyword helps to the keep a string is immutable in our program. Another advantages of string is immutable, because suppose we don't want to keep string is immutable. That's why we provide to our database connection is strong username or password. That suppose we give the strong username and password in our program. That's firstly we enter the username or password, then we can change our string. That's avoid the risk. We use the string is immutable and we create our string is immutable. Suppose our string is not immutable, then anyone can easily access our data or change our data, and that data display the all kinds, and that confuse which data is original or which data is duplicate who's changed by other person. So we we easily identify our original data and changeable data. That's why we keep the string, our string is immutable. Then uh, string is immutable. Another change, our data, no one can hack our data. And then string immutability also used in multi-threading. Suppose we use string immutable in multi-threading, then any thread cannot synchronize our thread or cannot create our duplicate string in our program. And suppose they create a duplicate string in our program, then it passes only the reference, it does not passes original object. That's why string is immutable. We can create in that string immutable, we can create the string with the help of literal and with the help of new keyword. So we can create a string with the help of literal. It create only one object and two references, and that two references points to the one object. And suppose we create our string with the help of new keyword, then it create a two object and one references, and then that one references point to the two object. And that's all about the why string is immutable in Java. So immutability is the best option of our provider security and save our data and our program. So that's all about today's topic. Thank you so much.